Today, energy consumption is one of the biggest challenges for mobile networks. Traditional antennas waste a lot of power, use polluting processes, and limit efficiency. It's time for a breakthrough. Introducing the 4th generation Taurus antenna platform, a game-changing cable-free design. With dipoles directly connected to phase shifters and laser welded for zero pollution, the radiation efficiency increases by 17.3 percentage points. That means stronger signal strength, wider coverage, and lower power consumption, less cost and more efficiency. Built with new materials, advanced manufacturing, modular design, and structural innovations, it cuts wind load by 33% and reduces carbon emissions by 28%. Backed by multiple core patents, manufacturing pollution now is near zero, helping operators cut emissions while protecting the Earth's natural beauty. The Generation 4 Taurus, redefining energy efficiency in communication, making every watt matters.